I'm going to show you how I would put my cape and apron on for church. Now I'm just going to stick my collar inside of my dress so that it fits better. Then this is what the cape looks like before you put it on. When you put it on, you just put this part, you put the triangle part in the back, and this part up here goes in front of your neck. Now you just want to put a safety pin in the front. Now I like to put 2 safety pins in here because that way it will stay in place. And then we'll do the back. It just needs to be pinned on either side. Like that, and then you want to do the front, and mine again, it is crossed because I was not a member of the church when I left. If I would have been a member, then it would have to be a straight. So I want to put safety pins in here in the front. Just like that. It's on the inside so you won't see it from the outside. And then we're just going to tuck it into the front inside of the belt. And now we have to fix the back. And again, we're going to need some pins for that. So now we're done with the cape, and now we just put the apron on. You put it around like that, and then you just put 2 pins here into the belt. Just like that. And now you just push it up a little bit so it's in place. Make sure it's even here. This part has to be in the middle. And a lot of women would have more than just 1 pleat here in the front, but I did it like this. This is definitely a little more fancier. And there we go.